It's Christmas! Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from my background, today's video is going to be a Christmas decorate with me. This year is my first time decorating my apartment ever. So I really wanted to make sure that I picked up items that I can reuse over and over again for years to come. Everything that I picked up was super duper affordable. I picked up everything from basically Dollar Tree, Target, and maybe a couple of things from Walmart. If you guys are interested in how I was able to decorate my apartment on a budget, definitely keep on watching. The first thing that I decorated my house with was the tree. So this tree is from Walmart. It's a 6-foot tree, already illuminated, so that was really great and easy to put together. We then went ahead and decorated it with these white ornaments. So I went and found these white ornaments from At Home for $8.99, which is a great price. It was a 40-piece set and they just had an assortment of white ornaments. I also threw in a couple of ornaments that I DIY'd. I wanted my theme to be white with a hint of gold, so I picked up these champagne gold ornaments from Walmart. I also put this tree topper. This tree topper is from Walmart. If I can find it, I'll definitely link it down below for you guys. I actually went ahead and opted for a white sheet for my tree skirt. And then to kind of fill up the bottom of my Christmas tree, I went ahead and wrapped a couple of boxes. Decorations, I didn't want to go over the top. I didn't want it to be cluttered with decor, if that makes sense. So I kept the decorations very minimal in my living room. So for my sofa, I got this pillow that I picked up from Target. It's just a really pretty, simple plaid pillow. I also picked up this hunter green blanket from Target. I believe it's from the Wonder Shop. It's this really comfy, fuzzy blanket that's just really great to cuddle up with, honestly. And then as for my coffee table, I kept the same gold tray that I have, and then I also kept the coasters. If you want to see how I decorated my living room, definitely check out my last video. I uploaded a living room makeover, so if you guys are interested in that, I just threw in a candle. It's a candle that I already had that I just went ahead and decorated with some twine and Christmas tree cherries. I think that's what it's called. I don't know what those are. Are they cherries? Berries? I don't know. And then I threw in a small little tree that I picked up from the Target dollar section. As for my TV stand, I threw in a vase. At first I was gonna put a candle in it, but I feel like it was gonna be a fire hazard, honestly. It kept kind of moving everywhere. So instead I just threw in some incense sticks and it actually worked out perfectly. for my bedroom, again, I wanted to keep it very simple. On my headboard, I went ahead and just threw on a garland that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then for my bed, I picked up this super cute pillow from the Target dollar section. And then for my dresser, I went ahead and just threw in this candle that I decorated. As for my nightstand, I just threw in these 3 Christmas branches that I picked up from Target. As for my dining area, I picked up these Christmas tree branches and just filled up this vase with water and threw them in there. I also threw in this candle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then I had these salt and pepper shakers that were shaped like doves, and I figured that really did look like Christmas, so I also threw those in there as well. For my kitchen, I kept it super simple and threw in these dish towels that I picked up from Target. One of them is just this red plaid print on it, and then the other one has pom-poms and the word joy. For my front entrance, I couldn't help but to make a wreath. Every season I have to do it. And that was my Christmas decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll link as much as I can down below. Also, definitely be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss my Christmas DIY video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Comment down below with what your favorite decor piece was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you guys on the next video. Bye.